Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll see how can you start freelancing for beginners. The first step is to have a specific skill that you know you are really good at. Now, I understand that not all of you would have an advanced level of some type of skill. It could be that you are only at a beginner level, but that's completely all right. Just give yourself a start, give yourself a push, and with time, make sure that you keep upgrading yourself with experience. That is, you keep learning so that you go from beginner stage to intermediate and then to an advanced and a professional level. And at the starting stage itself, do not charge too much for your services. This is because you have recently stepped into the market, and first you should create your own space, get your own clients, win their trust, give them value. And once you've established yourself in the market, you can very well increase your prices. But make sure that you give the customers the best for the price that you're charging. So, for example, if they want you to design a poster and you're charging them 1,000 rupees for it, give them the best value at 1,000 rupees for the poster that you're designing for them. And also, you can even start out by giving out samples to your customers of the work that you have with a watermark in it. And if they like your work, you can remove the watermark and give it to them. And of course, you can also customize one as per your client's needs. And the last thing to take care about is that do not prioritize money in the beginning itself. That should not be your goal, guys. First, learn and upskill yourself, gain some experience, establish yourself, and then, if you wish, go for the money. Only when you know you are completely ready to charge so much for the service that you are offering to your client. The second point is customer feedback and review. With every customer that you serve, make sure that you get a feedback from them, at least in the starting stage, guys. And even if you get something that's negative, it's completely all right, because all of this is a learning experience, right? In fact, these are the things that will help us grow and make us better than what we are today, because only when we are told about what mistakes we are making, we'll be able to correct them, right? Otherwise, we'll keep making the mistake again and again, and there would be no scope of improvement in us. So it's fine even if the reviews are negative, but yes, always take them into consideration and work upon them. And customer reviews, we all know they play an important role, right? Because everything happens online nowadays, and especially when it comes to freelancing, there are highest chances of it happening online only, like an online business. And there is no face value involved in it. So your customer reviews is what will help other customers, your potential customers, to trust you and your work. So for this, what I would suggest is that you can make a portfolio of yourself. In that, you must include your best work, your customer testimonials, the platforms where you're present. That is, through what all platforms do you offer your service, and your social media account. So basically, this portfolio, it will act like a resume for your customers, and it will help your potential clients to know more about you and your service, so that they can trust you more and take you into consideration. But where can you get your first customers from? Well, this is what takes us to our third point, and that is networking. So you can start off by approaching your closed ones. That can be your friends or family or someone you know through your school, college, your teacher. It can be just anyone. But through them is how you can expand your network. And how will that happen? That can happen through via good word of mouth. So let's say you have recently worked or helped a friend, maybe even for free, and then they tell about you to their friend and you get an order from that friend. So that's how you have started and you've got your client. Now, other than that, you can also use various freelancing platforms like Fiverr.com and Upwork.com. I'll give the link for these platforms in the description below. You can check it out there. So, for those who don't know what these websites are, they are basically Amazon but for services. So, here you will find different types of freelancers for all different kinds of services, starting from graphic designing to video editing. It can be anything and everything. So, here you can put yourself as a service provider, list yourself as a service provider, and get clients through these websites as well. The last thing is patience. Now, freelancing requires a lot of patience, guys. There's a lot of work that you need to do, efforts and hard work that you'll have to put into it, because things, they don't just happen overnight, right? Be it a big company or a YouTube channel, nothing is established overnight just like that. So you must be very patient and do not feel inferior looking at others. There are chances that you and your friend, both of you, decide to start freelancing and he's getting more customers in this beginning than you are getting. That is completely all right, because maybe they have worked more than you can see, behind the doors, or maybe their work is actually better than yours and you're not able to see that. So just concentrate on yourself, on your work, and then your time shall come too. Okay, so just focus on yourself, building your skills, your network, and that's how you can grow in your market, because here you are making something out of your skill, right? That is, skills, they take time to establish. It takes time to build up skills and reach to a stage where you feel like, yes, you are the best at it, you are a professional now, and you are one among a lot of other best candidates in the market. But then again, there are other people who are doing much better than you. So again, you have to start pushing yourself, upgrade yourself, make your skills better, and deliver something even better so that you can again become the best at what you are doing. So this is a cycle, right? It is a never ending cycle. You have to be ready to invest your time and work into it. And like I always say, trust the process. Always trust the process. So these are some of the things that beginners must, keep in mind before they start freelancing. This is how you can start freelancing. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope it was helpful for y'all. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any other doubts related to freelancing. And before leaving, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.